Here we are, guys, the new Maas version 4 again, the Kucha hands version. As you hear the skip rolling already. A lot of people have had this radio modified with the 6-position, 6-pin mic with the electret element inside. But then you use the function of the ASC because you don't have the ability with the other mic. So now the channel change has been altered. So you see it still does the channel change, but now it's push button. So if you push, ASC, push again, ASC off, on again. So now you don't have to worry if you change your mic for a non-genuine. You have ASC. We try on again. There you go. On, off, on. So another new modification. ASC on the push button. On the version 4. DX5000 from Kucha hands.